How to fix thanks for providing your info on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, let's talk about why this message happens. This message happens because your account was suspended or disowned by Instagram because of your activities. So in order to fix this problem, you have to go on Chrome, and then you have to write over here appeal Instagram suspension, and then on the first you will have Instagram help center option for Facebook link. You have to click on that. As you click on that link, it will open this page. Now you have to write over here all of the things, and by writing here all of the things, then in the reason you have to write here that it was deactivated because of a mistake. As you write it over here like this and then hit send, then your account will be fixed again, and your problem how to fix thanks for providing your info on Instagram will be fixed. Thanks. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.